Hello, hi, and welcome back to my channel, you gorgeous people out there. If you have never seen my face before, hi, I'm Becky. It's nice to meet you and I hope you'll stick around for a while and enjoy my video. I'm sorry all, I really didn't mean to take a break off of YouTube. It's been like 2 weeks I think, but as you can still hear a little bit in my voice, I had a really bad allergic reaction to something and it didn't sound nice when I talked, and I also didn't feel very well, so I couldn't film any videos, so I'm really sorry, but now I'm back and I hope you're not gonna be too bothered from my voice. Anyhow, today is actually gonna be a really cool video, I think, because this is a style that I kind of want to live and I kind of want to do in my personal life, but I just haven't quite achieved yet, and I don't have enough stuff in my closet to achieve this style on a daily basis, and also it's not really appropriate for work, and I don't have money for all the things that come with the style yet. And other things like the pandemic and everything have kept me from getting some tattoos that I wanted to get because I would have to travel for them and I couldn't. Today I'm actually going to a dress-up party with some of my friends and it's gonna be really cool, and it was a very great idea from my best friend, and she decided that we would do a party where we would dress up as the first letters of our name, and since I go by Becky, I want to go as Baddie Beccii. That means I will get a lot of fake tattoos and just try to do flawless makeup with a few cuts in my eyebrows and just basically try to look really cool but sexy cool, if I can achieve that with this seemingly helpless face. And I'm really excited for it because again, this is a style that I really want. If I had the money, if COVID didn't prevent me from doing so, I would have gotten a lot of tattoos already. I only have one so far, a little one, so I don't really count that as a real tattoo because it's just font. I don't count it, and I'm really excited for that. So let's just dive right in. I've already done my eyebrows. Again, I just find that really boring. I don't think anybody wants to sit through seeing that. It's nothing really special. If you want to see it though, leave it down in the comments below and I will do it in the next video. So let's get started. Alrighty tidy, so here we go. I'm going to start off with the eyes. I want to go for a red pinkish kind of look, so I'm going to do red eyeshadow, a cut crease and big lashes, and I hope it's gonna look flawless. I'm basically just gonna dip into a lot of different palettes for this one, into drugstore palettes, into other high-end palettes and stuff. So first gonna start off with a light pink shade from this Hanging in Hawaii drugstore brand. It's BH Cosmetics actually. I'm going to dip into this pink. I know it's really dirty, I'm sorry. And use that as a transition shade. This shade is called Ohana. I do a normal cut crease, just instead of with brown neutral shades, I use pinks. The reason I didn't do my foundation yet is because I want this look to be as flawless as possible, and I don't want any fallout on my base, and I also don't want to worry about it throughout the process because this can be very annoying. Another palette I'm using is the Conspiracy palette by Jeffree Star, and here I'm dipping into Pigment, which is this smooth pink right there, and it's slightly darker than the pink from BH Cosmetics. Now I'm dipping into the Artem Eye palette by Oscar Artem and LOV, and I'm going to dive into Aura and Diva and then maybe Aurora. Now I'm diving back into the lighter shades and blending over the red, so there's a soft, nice blend. And now I'm going to cut the crease with a normal concealer. I'm first using a really thin brush to outline the crease basically. Now I can fill out the entire crease with concealer with a bigger brush, basically so. Then I usually take my finger and blend out the concealer, or you could also say dabbing it in. I'm using the Clear White Yin. Now I'm dipping into Aurora and darkening the whole eye look up a little bit. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to use the same darker colors, the red colors, Aurora and Diva, and just dragging it out down here. And now it's finally time for the eyeliner. Alright, the eyeliner is on, and now I'm doing something that I'm really excited but also nervous for, and I'm going to use the same thin brush that I've used to outline my crease to do some cuts in my eyebrows. And I still have some eyebrow hair in the front part of my eyebrows, so I'm worried about that part, but we're gonna see how it works out. I hope it's gonna turn out good. So I'm using concealer, putting that on the thin brush again, and just trying to do some random cuts in here. That really does seem to be hard wherever there's eyebrow hair, but I'm going to keep trying. So it's definitely much easier to do it where there's no eyebrow hair. Okay, that is how I want it to look. And I'm doing the same thing on the other eyebrow. I mean, not the exact same. I'm going to different cuts. Alright, okay, that's that so far. I'm going to see if I'm going to change something later on, but I'm now going to throw my base real quick. Again, I think that's a really boring process. Nobody wants to sit through and watch that. So I'm going to do that real quick off camera, come right back to you, throw on my lashes, and then I should already be done, I think. Do some lips, and that's it. So I'll be right back. Alright, and I'm back with the base on. I have on foundation, concealer, contouring, and highlighter now. And now I'm going to do my lips and lashes, and then we're done. The lips are going to be bright red. Everybody has different interpretations on things, and the baddie look to me is like all bandana, flawless makeup, and all that kind of stuff. That's that for the liner. And now I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Cherry Wet. And that is such a stunning bright red. I love it. And just applying that. Alright, and now I want to do big lashes. So I'm going to go in with these Kiss Fox Mink Collection Lash Couture, and yeah, just try them out. I might need to shorten them a little bit because my eyes are just sadly not that big, but I want them to be huge, so let's see. It just doesn't fit ever when I try to apply lashes right out of the package. It just doesn't work, so gotta cut them. The other lash. Don't forget the bottom lashes. Ta-da! And that is the makeup portion of my baddie costume. So now let me hop into my outfit and then come right back to you to be turning myself into a baddie for real. See you in a second. Okay, now I'm back. You already see I have a tattoo here and one here. I've done those yesterday to try them out to see how they work. And I want to do a sleeve tattoo and one on my neck. Let's see, I'm first going to do the one on my neck because it's just going to be easier probably, because I think that the sleeve tattoo is going to be really difficult to do. So I'm going to have to wet the sponge real quick. So I'm going to start off with the neck tat and let's see how that works. It's a dragon that's holding a knife basically, and I find it really cool. Oh goodness, this is not working well. Down here is not really that important because they're not gonna see it, but I don't want to destroy this beautiful tattoo, so I'm going to try. Alright, it's not as bad as I was worried. Alright, that's pretty cool. What do you think? Isn't that freaking fancy? I like it a lot. Oh well. Get that, get this. This is a beautiful snake and these roses. Now I'm trying the sleeve, but I feel like the sleeve is gonna be so hard to do, especially because it's so big. Like, is it even gonna Like, we're gonna see. Yes, I cut it a little bit because there was something on it that I didn't like. I would need more hands than I do have right now. Okay, I'm just gonna start, I guess. Oh no. Oh, I'm so dumb. I didn't take off the foil! No wonder it's moving. Oh no, I destroyed it. No, that was the prettiest one. Oh no. I freaking destroyed it. Let's see if I can still put it on. Now it's on the foil because I'm dumb. Of course, it had to happen. It's my smart ass. I doubt that this works at all, but it's worth a try. It was such a beautiful tattoo. Nope, not working. Shoot! Okay, now I gotta choose another tattoo. I have different ones, but this one was the prettiest. I'm sorry, I'll be right back. Let's hope I'm gonna be smarter this time. Alright, let's do some angels and whatever the heck this is. I'm disappointed now, so disappointed. No wonder it didn't stick with the foil on. Can't believe I was so dumb. Oh well. Alright, let's take it off, shall we? Could have needed another hand right here. Oh no, oh no. You can definitely tell it's fake. Oh well. This is as good as I could get it, but it does still look pretty cool, I gotta say. What do y'all think? Is it cool? I love this dragon, to be honest. He's over my well and free tattoo. And then the snake is pretty too, and the roses. This is that. And then we have one more detail to add, which I find very important to get the aesthetic I want. And that is a bandana. What is a baddie without a bandana? Nothing. Okay, that's it. That is the aesthetic I'm going to use, and that is how I'm gonna go to the dress-up party. So I hope you all agree that this is okay. I don't know, but yeah, that was me turning myself into a baddie, and I hope you all enjoyed me turning myself into a baddie, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day and week, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye!